Yo, before I get into this video, man, shout out to everyone who continues to rock with us, man. We are still on the road to 5K. So be sure to share this video, man. If you rock with us, drop a comment on it, man. Let us know what we can do differently. If you don't really rock with us, man, I try to accommodate as much as I can. Yao Ming. And make sure you subscribe, man, if you haven't already. Like I said, we are trying to reach 5K. When we reach that 5K, we're going to do a giveaway, man. You know what I mean? So let's get into it.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the tray master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today, man, it's Pop Solo Dolo, man. The youngin' is out doing his thing, making moves, man. You know how young people are. They stay in the streets, right? But, nah, he handling his business, man. He just out doing some things. So I happened to get this package in today, man. I wanted to bring it to y'all, man, so y'all can check it out. Shout out to the homie Measly G, man. He is the first person that kind of put me on to this. If you don't know who Measly G is, man, he a funny dude, man. He different. He not for everybody, right? But he is Chi-Town dude, so I rock with him. If I can remember, I will link him in the description below. I'm not real good at that, so I make no promises, but I try. You know what I mean? So, but nah, man, this is a special little drop. It's already released. It's nothing early, but it was kind of limited, man. Like, I didn't hear anything about it as far as like it dropping. It only, to my knowledge, it only dropped in Shoe Palaces and that's it. I don't know. I don't even remember seeing it on the sneakers app. But this is the Shoe Palace Jordan brand collab, man. Let me turn that right side up, man. And these are, they read Air Jordan 1 High OG SP. And the color scheme is black and varsity red, man. And these are the SP Ginas, man. If you're not familiar with SP Gina, I'll pop a picture of her right here. She was an educator, man. She's a teacher in the Bay Area. That she's a OG like me. She's a sneakerhead. I mean, everything about her just screams what I'm about. So I definitely rock with her. I had to get these. This was a must cop for me, and they are dope, man. As you can see right here in the packaging, I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is metal, man. This is a straight up lunchbox, man. Come on, man. This is a throwback to my youth. My wife, you think I'm crazy, but I keep telling her I'm on my way to work with the lunchbox.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what I mean? So, but no, man, this thing is definitely dope. It's packaged beautifully, man. This is so creative, man. I would have bought these just for the packaging, to be honest, but the meaning behind them is definitely dope. I did get these off of StockX, man. The resale price was $223. That's with everything, man. So that wasn't bad at all. I think retail on this was $180. So, you know, $30-$40 over retail, not bad, man. Of course, the StockX, regular StockX stuff. I'm not gonna read that. Stickers, you know that guy right there, and that thing right there. I don't know what that is. I guess it's a receipt. But there's two main things inside this packaging that I rock with, right? First and foremost, man, they took it back. They took it back with this guy right here, man. And I will pop up right here and right here a blown up view of this so you can see it. And on this, man, like you can see in there, you can see those on both sides of this guy, man. I'm not gonna go through this whole thing, but shout out to Shoe Palace and shout out to SP Gina, man. That's pretty dope. I really like the fact that they put that in there. And let's get to the shoe, man. The shoe itself, I don't know how I really feel about the shoe itself, because it's super shiny. It's got this I think they call it like a ballistic mesh or something like that. But I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I'll probably wear it at some point. But as you can see, it came with additional lace, the red lace. I'll probably lace one black and one red and just see how that rocks. See how that goes. I can't see myself selling this shoe because I don't want to part with the box. But on the inside, man, it's got standard shoe tree. On the inside, it does have that SP Gina image. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but hopefully you can. Kind of hard for me to hold this box and show you the shoe. I'm gonna drop that one down. And it also comes with this commemorative keychain, man, which is pretty dope. It's got SP on one side and the Jordan brand, man, on the other side. A lot of people mistake this for the Big Apple. They think it's a New York thing, man. It's not. It's a teacher appreciation shoe. So I guess the best thing I can say is respect that for what it's worth, man, because these teachers is out here doing a great job. The Wings logo, man, let me see if I can brighten that up for you, man. But the Wings logo is the only thing that appears to be leather on this guy. So that's pretty dope. Other than that, everything else is of this weird ballistic mesh type thing. As you can see, the sole is the only red other than the Nike branding on the tongue. Everything else is black. Probably black this whole thing out, man. I don't know about those red laces with this, but it's pretty clean, man. It's pretty dope. You rock this with a suit. You know, get jiggy with that. Yeah, I said jiggy. And other than that, man, as you can see all throughout the inside of the box, it's got that Shoe Palace Jumpman branding, man. That is pretty cool. That is pretty dope as well. And you get that sticker as well. I'll find a room in the vault somewhere for this sticker, I'm sure. But yeah, man, pretty cool pickup, man. Pretty cool pickup. So I don't know if the homie gonna catch this or not, man, but I was pumping some gas today, man, in Atlanta off Collier Road, man, and this guy was looking at me, man. I'm pumping gas, and the guy was on the other side, and I see he's got on these guys right here, right? So I'm like, okay, he a sneakerhead, because I see him. I recognize that he's a sneakerhead, and I see him looking at me kind of funny, so I'm like, well, maybe he just checking out my shoes. I had on these guys. I was wearing these Zoom Flies today, OG guys, original 10, and he's like, yo, you do YouTube, right? I was like, yeah, word, that's what's up. Like, y'all have no idea how much that really flatters us when people do actually watch the videos and let us know that they check us out, man. So shout out to the homie Levon Parrish, man. And he also he said he's been running his own business for like 20 years or so, man. Balloons Over Atlanta. Put that up there, man. If y'all have a need, man, you running an event here in the A, and you got a need for, they do event, let's see, creative and on-site event management, man. So I'm assuming they pretty much take care of the party, set it up, all of that. I'm not 100% sure, but go check the homie out, man. It's www.balloonsover.com, and my eyes are way too bad to read that fine print. But I'm gonna try to get it as close as I can, man. So y'all make sure y'all support the homie, man, if you got a need for that, man. And once again, man, namaste, man. Thanks for checking us out. And that is it, man. No on feet with this guy today, man. I don't feel like lacing it up. But once again, man, thanks for checking us out, man. Thanks for rocking with us. It's your boy Pops, Solo Dolo, checking out, man. Appreciate y'all checking in. Holla.